7 riddles that will trick your brain. Number 1. 2 fathers and 2 sons are in a car. Yet there are only 3 people in the car. How? The answer is that they are a grandfather, father, and son. Number 2. What goes up and down, but doesn't move? The answer will be staircase. Number 3. Which is heavier, a ton of bricks, or a ton of feather? The answer will be neither, because they both weigh a ton. Number 4. What goes up, but never comes back down? The answer is your age. When your age goes up, it never comes back down. Number 5. 2 in a corner, 1 in a room, 0 in a house, but 1 in a shelter. Who am I? You have 10 seconds to answer. The letter R has 2 in a corner, 1 in a room, 0 in a house, and 1 in a shelter. Number 6. What has hands, but doesn't clap? A clock has hands, but it can't clap. Last question. Number 7 is: I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. Who am I? A barber. Shaves every day, but his beard stays the same. If you like this video, subscribe this channel for more related videos. Thanks for watching.